The village of Oakhaven was built on a lie. People there believed their land was cursed because nothing would grow in the dry, rocky soil. For generations, the villagers spent their whole lives just carving stones to trade for food. They lived in fear of hunger and never tried to change their situation. A man named Elias was a stone carver, but he was different. He dreamed of growing his own food. He chose a small patch of rocky ground and spent 10 years trying to plant seeds there. It was an incredibly hard struggle. His tools broke on the hard rocks and his seeds kept dying. Every night, Elias went home with bleeding hands and sore muscles. The village elders laughed at him. "The ground is made of stone," they said. "Why do you keep fighting it? You're just wasting your time." But Elias didn't listen to them. He didn't realize it then, but every time he failed, he was actually learning. By struggling with the hard ground, he learned exactly what the soil needed. He learned how to mix the rock dust with nutrients. He learned that because the ground was so tough, the plants had to grow stronger roots just to survive. Elias was becoming an expert because of his failures. Then, a terrible drought hit the region. Other villages ran out of food and everyone in Oakhaven began to starve. While everyone else was panicking, Elias went to his rocky patch of land. He planted a special type of seed he had perfected over those 10 years of struggle. Because these plants had spent years fighting against the hard, rocky soil, they were incredibly strong and healthy. Elias harvested a massive amount of food. It was enough to save the entire village. The villagers were amazed. They looked at Elias's hands that were scarred and rough from years of hard work. They finally understood. Elias didn't succeed despite the struggle. He succeeded because of it. If the ground had been easy to farm, he would never have learned how to grow such strong, resilient plants. Elias showed them the truth. Your struggle is your power. The difficulties you face aren't there to stop you. They are there to train you. Just like the plants in the rocky soil, your hard times are building the strength, skills, and character you need to handle your future. Never be afraid of a hard path, because that path is what makes you strong enough to change the world.